Hi team. Now that I have shown you the basics about how to manage your tasks, I wanted to go a little bit deeper into the different options that you may be able to find when receiving feedback. So what you can see here are the different options that you may be able to find. So for example, here in the to-do list, we're going to see the same kind of tasks that I showed you before. So you will have, for example, one named CryptoAmp that needs no edits. So there's no further action needed from you for this AMP. Here you have the AMP link and the due date as well. For the second AMP, for the second task, sorry, that is another piece of feedback on another AMP. You have here the headline, and you may find different tags that will help you know better what actions need to be taken for that piece of feedback or for that AMP. So what changes needs to be done. So for example, for this second task, you find here minor edits, and you will have to check the comments inside the task. So here we have, for example, please check grammar. Other than that, the app is great. So once you have checked grammar and you have corrected the AMP or changed the AMP, you can comment here, all done. Okay. And that's all the action needed from you for this AMP. So then, if the editor is happy with the changes that were made, he or she is going to close the task, and you're not going to be able to see it anymore here unless you click here in Show Closed. So, for example, for this task that is called Headline Update, you may find major edits need to be done on clarity, grammar, and headline keywords. So if you go inside this task, you can find here again all the comments done by the editor. Again, once this is done, you can comment here, all done, thank you, or check have checked the headline, the grammar, thank you, or whatever. If you have any questions about this or any doubts, you can comment here as well, and an editor is going to respond to you. So again, once this is done, you can comment that all the changes have been made, and the editor is going to close the task. Here we have another kind of task. It's very similar as the one we just saw, but you have, in this case, you have checked the feedback, sorry, and you have done the necessary changes. You have commented, added the paragraph, checked the links, all done. But the editor considers that there's further changes to be made. So instead of closing, they put it as in progress, and they commented again, great, thank you. Could you please check grammar again? So if you receive this kind of feedback on the task, you can check again the grammar and comment, all done, thank you. And once that is done, they're going to close the task. So this is how you will manage your feedback and your tasks on ClickUp. I'm going to show you in a different video how to manage the dashboard. Thank you.